So you like AI content, but you don't know how to go about AI content creation. On this video, I'll be showing you how to go about AI content generation and creation. Hello and welcome. I'm Judith and this is Jogeluv TV. Now on this channel, I teach you how to edit videos, how to grow on Facebook and YouTube, and also how to do animation and AI content creation. So on this next video, I'll be showing you how to create AI content using Grok. I'll teach you how to generate videos, photos and videos using Grok for AI content creation, just like this one you'll be seeing now.
No matter how tired you are on this content creation journey,
don't try to think about giving up. Truth is, I know the journey is tough.
it will be worth it in the end. I tell you for free, you will make it.
Don't dare give up. Don't think about it because that's not an option.
You can rest, but don't give up because we don't do that here. Abi, I should mind my business.
In the quiet village of Umuk, where the morning cockcrow echoed across red dirt compounds, a boy named Uchenna was born. His birth was greeted with both joy and deep expectation. He was the son of Ekizi, the most feared and respected native doctor in the region. For generations, the men in Uchenna's family had served the village deities, offering sacrifices, interpreting strange signs, and protecting the community with charms whispered from the ancestors. From the moment Uchenna could walk, the villagers assumed his power. As Uchenna grew older, the conflict within him deepened. He learned the ways of the shrine well, how to mix potions, read omens, and appease ancestral spirits.
Those videos you just saw now, they are videos I generated from Grok AI, and I'll be showing you how to do that. Join me on this video. Don't touch that dial. So let's go. I don't have another phone, so I won't be able to do screen share. I'll be using screen record to do this video tutorial. I'll be showing you on this screen how I achieved videos. So join me on the tutorial and please be patient with me. As time goes on, I will be able to, use those phones as I grow. So join me on this tutorial.
Jogeluv, it's time for the tutorial.
But before that, make sure you share this video. Okay, ma'am, over to you. Let's do this.
So you click on Grok, and when you enter the Grok, this place that says ask anything, you click on it and hold. Then you would have copied your prompt. Now you paste the prompt and you click on that arrow, that white arrow, and when you've pasted your prompt, just slide up a little and then you see it loading your prompt, and then it must always give you options of photos. Unlike Gemini, it will give you options to choose from. Now note that I put aspect ratio 1:1 for this photo. In your own, you can put aspect ratio for Facebook or TikTok. That's 9:16 or 16:9 for YouTube. Now I selected the photo I like. I didn't like the first one, I liked this other one, so I selected the one I liked and then I downloaded it. You just click the download button and it downloads to your phone. Now the next thing to do is to go back to that place, the initial place, and then there's a box that says create video. You click on that and you see this thing, this type to image. You'll now click on it. It's showing that image button there. You select your image, the image you want to animate. Now I'm going to select this image I just animated, I just created here. Now when you upload the image here, once you see this heart sign, this red sign here, it means that the image has been uploaded. It will load, it start loading to transform the image into a video. Now note that on Grok, the first once you upload it, it first animates the video normally, the image normally to a video. That this is the original, the first one. This is it. I've not done anything to it. This is just what they did to the image. Now I clicked on download and then I checked, see it here. It's downloading to my phone already. Now once you're there, the next thing to do now is to type in what you want the image to say, the person to say. So this is how to get Nigerian accent on Grok. So now look at this so you will note it and know how to use it. Now see this, I am telling you this so you will know what to do. If you want you want her to laugh, you see how I'm saying in Nigerian accent, that's how you will say she laughs. She sees and she laughs. Something like that. You can even make her speak in Zimbabwe accent if you want, Korean if you want, you understand. Now this is me giving it a prompt of what to say. Now when I gave it this prompt, you should also note another thing. Grok videos are 6 seconds. That's their default timer, 6 seconds. So whatever you are prompting, make sure it's going to be within that 6 seconds. Now my first prompt for this image, for this video was, oh hey there, I'm not Joge Masala, I'm not real. That was the first prompt I gave. And normally the first video will keep playing in the background as the other one is loading. Once the other one is done loading, the next one will start playing immediately. Once it's done loading, once it's done generating rather, it will start playing. Now it has generated it. It's saying what I wanted. So now I click on the download button and then I go back again because I wanted to say something else. Don't forget it's a 6-second base video, so don't go and type a lot of things. It just give you jargon, so you'll be tweaking it until you get what you want. Just make sure you follow this procedure. Now you see I said I was made by the real Joge using Grok AI. That's 6 seconds. Now she's going to say the same thing. I think you saw that video yesterday. Pardon me. The normal video will be playing, the first one will be playing in the background normally. See, I had to come and check to make sure that the one I downloaded before was downloaded, and as you see it said download failed. That's why I had to click that download button again to make sure I download it. So now I've downloaded the initial one. I'm downloading the second one now. See, it's saying download started. If I were to slide down again, you will see that there will be 2 trying to download. I keep switching this video to get what I want. Sometimes the lip sync may not be exactly perfect, but it will be speaking in the accent you want it to speak. So you tweak it until you get your perfect desire. Now see it, it's downloaded. So you have to be checking that to make sure that your video is so now you see I've done this. The second one is I've downloaded it. I'm doing the last one or so. Now for this video, this is how I did it, and then I'll say, please ma'am, let's tell us how you did it. That's the last this thing. Now this is how you use Grok AI to generate your images and videos. I hope you'll be trying it out. For now, Grok AI, even though it's paid, they still let you use it for free. And the funny thing is, the free version is unlimited. Even when you run out of the your free units, you can still be generating images, videos. Like I have run out of my free units, but I'm still generating. I hope you'll be trying this out. All right. Another important thing you should note about this is when you want to register, make sure you sign in with your email, not Facebook. Don't sign in with Facebook. Make sure you are signing in with your email account, please, to avoid anything on your Facebook. So now, when you are done, once you've signed in, you'll be able to access the free version. No, even if they tell you you have to pay for it, just know you can be able to use it for free. For now, they don't make it as a mandatory that you must pay before you start using it. As you can see, I've been using it without making any payments. But many creators are using it without making any payments, so you can also do that. Now, see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, please. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this tutorial, and also share this tutorial to somebody who you feel might need it. All right, see you on the next one.